Today, we're going to show you how to accept quarters in your iOS Unity game. Before we get started, there are two requirements. First, you'll need to get your app ID and key. If you don't have them, please sign up as a developer at pocketfulofquarters.com. Second, you'll need to download the Quarters Unity SDK from pocketfulofquarters.com. Let's start by creating a new Unity project. Alternatively, just open up your own project instead. Click the New Project button for doing this. Fill in the project name text field. I'm calling it Quarters. Click the Create Project button and wait for the project creation to complete. Second, let's add the Quarters SDK. Drag the quarters.unitypackage file into the project pane in the Unity editor. Click to import all the package contents into your project. If you've not done it already, go to File, Build Settings, and set the platform to iOS. Then click Switch Platform and wait for the changes to be applied.
Add open scenes. Save as main in your asset folder.
Close the Build Setting panel. Third and finally, we'll customize the SDK with our app ID and key. In the project pane, expand the Quarters SDK folder and the subfolder prefabs inside it. Drag the Quarters init prefab into the hierarchy pane. Move to the inspector window for the newly added scene Quarters init object.
Cut and paste your app ID. Now go in the main scene, select Quarters init. Go to the app ID field and paste your app ID. Repeat the process now to cut and paste your app key.
That's it. The Quarters SDK is integrated into your project. How can you test that it works? In the next two videos, we'll show you how to authorize a Quarters user and also how to transfer quarters. Having problems? Build something cool? Join us on Discord. Was this helpful? Please upvote below and comment. Thank you.